guys, so bumili ako ng dalawang apple trees. And this apple tree guys, this one is golden delicious. Yan yung ano niya guys, yes. Yan yung variety. This is the variety of this apple tree that I bought guys. As you can tell, it has these beautiful buds already sprouting. It's going to sprout. Yeah, what is that? So ayun. And this one also, and this one guys is the variety is how or what and the variety is red Fuji. Yes, we love Fuji apples guys. That's why we bought this one. I bought this one guys because we love Fuji apples so much guys. Do we have to put something? Kasta. Dos carcas amor taper.
Sí.
Porque mira, aquest ya está surtiendo color verde. En cambio aquest ya.
Hem trigat massa avui.
Okay, so we are going to plant our apple trees here guys. We have two apple trees, one golden, golden, the other one daddy, right?
One Fuji, no?
Yes, one golden and one Fuji. So those are the two apples that we love. That is why guys. Okay, so this is the first tree that we will plant, huh daddy?
Yes.
Since we came into this house, into this place guys. Yeah, so we are very happy, really happy. Espera, cariño.
Fins quin número?
Després ja no pren el forat sense.
Oh no.
Okay.
Excavando.
Sí?
És una terra, sí, no?
So, like that. Sino cariño?
Sí.
Ya está.
Ya per
Okay, so we are going to take and plant this. Oh, wow. And yes, Hailey,
Yes.
can you bring it here?
Course.
Maybe we have to put also like
Mira los
that.
arrelos, enseña los arrelos.
So these are the gafa, laka mahapa pa. See, cariño, or we have to put also like this.
Yo podria,
See?
La gota sud.
Té més nutrients això,
See?
Capalan.
Si vols després posa una miqueta d'aquest. Ara posen d'aquest. Per després d'aquest la matèria orgànica que vagi baixant, saps?
Exacte.
Però la base és més important al sol. Però tu la Heidi quan te veig no notes que
No, no noto. Papá, noto que em ve, però després ja no tinc res. estic potser com 10 segons sense tindre res i després me ve helicòpter.
El que traurem és el paperet aquest, no? Una marrascalla tranquil·la.
Marra no. Papa.
Ya está bé? Crec, no? Kasi so we need the ay show ka rin yung
L'arbre ja.
ya está. Así, ¿no?
Sí.
Els gossos, perquè no facin les enxams i altres coses de l'hivern. Estava ja estirant la cadena.
Ito kaya ya. Hello everyone, if you remember that we planted our first tree and this is our golden delicious apple, and now look, there are flowers already guys. After 2 to 3 weeks the flowers came out already, as you can see, and I am very happy. And I will show you also the other variety of our apple, which is the Fuji apple. And here is our Fuji apple. We didn't remove the the name of it yet. As you can see, it's here, it's red Fuji here. And this one guys, there is no flower at the moment, but at first, before we plant this one, I thought that it's dead, but thankfully it didn't guys. As you can tell that there are leaves. Yes, there are leaves already, and you can see our sheep, our male sheep is grazing under the pine tree.